Good morning, dear student. Class 10. Today it will be start next topic, web address. Now we will learn about the web address and URL. URL is also called a Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator are used to access web pages from the internet. Just addressing of your web pages, how it will be access web page from the internet. Every website has their own and unique address, that is called the web address. There is a extension, there is a web address, and it is written by the http colon डबल स्लैश www डॉट वेबसाइट का नेम, जैसे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे गूगल का नाम ले लिया है google.com. Every website's web address are divided by 4 parts and 4 different parts are separated by colon slash sometime dot. It is separated. Different components of address there is given. HTTP is called a protocol. Protocol क्या है? Protocol is also called a set of rule. Protocol is a set of rule and that are used to connect your computer with server. Protocol is a identify the server and access the web pages from the server, and it is communicate between the user computer and the server computer. It is called a protocol. After that, double slash, semicolon, double slash, and www. www is also called a subdomain name. Subdomain name. www is a address World Wide Web. It is known the address of the web pages. It provide address of your particular web page. Subdomain observe the www, the second component of your URL web address. The term www specify that website that you want to access. Which type of website we want to access. कौन सा वेबसाइट हम लोग एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं, डिफाइंड बाय दी www. डोमेन नेम, domain as like Google is a called a domain name, as like redditmail.com, google.com, yahoo.com, sifi.com, and so many other websites are given there, and it is called a domain name, and domain name is the actual website of your web server. How can it will be accessed through the web pages of the domain. And last part is also called, that is also called a fourth part of your address, like in the last we are used .com, .org, .gov, .edu, सबके different extension है, and it is defined the which type of website you want to access through the web server. जैसे यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने .com लगा दिया, that means की commercial website. Google www.google.com is a commercial website because in the last there is given a .com extension. It is called the extension. Extension name is defined that what is the extension of the website. Sometimes we are use gov, that is called a government website. Sometimes we are use .org, organization, non-profit organization, that is called an organization. Organizational website, government website, .edu, educational website. There are different extension for the different website are used for the different extension, as like .gov, .org, .edu, .com for commercial. Sometimes we are used to website belongs to the countries as like .in. .in means Indian website. जैसे हम लोगों ने JP डॉट जापान के लिए, AU लगाते हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए, UK लगाते हम लोग यूनाइटेड किंगडम के लिए. ऐसे different countries are use different extension and behalf of their countries extension. Students, just we are discussing about the address of the web pages and what is the meaning of the web pages, how it will be described the full address of any web page and how to access web pages from the websites and server. Now we will learn about web server. Web server is a host computer. Web server is a computer or group of computer used to store large amount of website. Many websites are used to store on the web server. Just we are discuss about the web server. What is the web server? We know that web server is a large computer and it is a single computer or group of many computer, and it is used to store many and different type of web pages, websites on the web server. Web server are used to store large amount of web pages on it, and whenever client is requested, जब क्लाइंट रिक्वेस्ट सेंड करता है सर्वर के पास, सर्वर फाइंड करेगा एंड रिटर्न बैक टू द क्लाइंट the websites. Web client is a term. It is also called a single computer or node that are used by the user, and every time user send request to the server for access the web pages from the internet, client send request to the server and server accept that request and further return the web pages, websites to the client. Web browser is an example of a web client. Web browser is also a web client and it is used to access different type of web pages and website from the web server. Server is store web pages and client are used to access web pages from the server. Client oftenly send request to the server and accept the server, organize the detail and send to the web page and website to the client side. Next term is intranet. A term in computer is called a intranet. Let's see what is the intranet. Intranet is a private network. Intranet was, you all know that and you learn about many more about internet. इंटरनेट के बारे में हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को देखा. Now this is the term of intranet. इंट्रानेट क्या है? इंट्रानेट इज ए प्राइवेट सर्विस and private network and it is generally used within an organization. Intranet is a limited network of computer and it is used to connect two or more computer within an organization within a specific area. Sometimes it is used in a organization, large company that are used to access their intervisual network inside the organization. And there are two terms, intra and net. Intra means inside and net means network. इसका मीनिंग ही है inside network and it is used to inside network within an organization. This is called an intranet. Next topic is HTML. Students, We know that HTML is a markup language and used to make your web pages and website through the HTML. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the full name of the HTML, and it is also called a markup language. HTML is a markup language, and in the next chapter we have to learn about detail about HTML and how to create website, web pages through the HTML. HTML is a markup language, and generally it is used to create web pages and edit, design, and send the web pages at the different location through the HTML. Students, just we are discussing in the last topic HTML, and in this way your first chapter is finished, and we will meet in the next session for the next video to the next chapter. Thanks all of you.